Hi everyone. Today I am going to talk about National Science Day, which is celebrated on 28th of February. It is a great pleasure to talk on this day, the National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated in India every year on 28th of February. But do you know why do we celebrate this day? What is the aim of it? Many Indian scientists have succeeded in making India proud globally. Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman or C.V. Raman is one of them. This day, India celebrates to mark the discovery of Raman effect by Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman in the year 1928. He was awarded and honored in the year 1930 with the Nobel Prize in Physics for his great success in the field of science in India. When was first National Science Day celebrated? In 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology or NCSTC asked the Government of India to designate February 28th as National Science Day. Since 1987, the event is now celebrated all over the country in schools, colleges, universities, and other academic, scientific, technical, medical, and research institutions. Do you know who was C.V. Raman? Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman or C.V. Raman was born on 7th of November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father was a lecturer in physics and mathematics. Raman was the first person to research such an invention in India. He worked from 1907 to 1933 in Kolkata at the Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. He did research in so many topics in physics, of which the Raman effect became his great success. His discovery marked a notable achievement in the Indian history. In 1954, he was honored with India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. So, what is Raman effect? The Raman effect is the process of scattering of light particles by molecules of a medium. The scattering occurs due to a change in the wavelength of light as it enters the medium. What is the use of Raman effect? Raman spectroscopy or Raman effect is used in many varied fields. In fact, any application where non-destructive, microscopic, chemical analysis and imaging is required. Whether the goal is qualitative or quantitative data, Raman analysis can provide key information easily and quickly. National Science Day theme for the year 2025. The best part about India's National Science Day is that every year a theme is decided according to which the National Science Day will be celebrated. From the year 1999, every year has been designated with a theme. The themes are related to science and technology and how it impacts on human life. Last year, that is 2024, the theme was Indigenous Technologies for Viksit Bharat. It emphasizes on the importance of homegrown innovations in India's scientific progress. Previous year, that is 2023, The theme was Global Science for Global Well-being. The theme indicates India's emerging global role and rising visibility in the international arena. This year, that is 2025, the theme is Empowering Indian Youth for Global Leadership in Science and Innovation for Viksit Bharat. This theme highlights the role of scientific innovation and youth leadership and aligns with the Viksit Bharat 2047 vision. How does India celebrate National Science Day? The celebration includes public speeches, radio, TV, science movies, science exhibitions based on themes and concepts, debates, quiz competitions, lectures, science model exhibitions, and many more activities. Various awards are given by government and non-government bodies to recognize the efforts of individuals for the popularization of science in the country. What is the main objective to celebrate this day? The main objective of celebrating this day is to bring awareness to the people about the importance of scientific applications in their daily life and to encourage them by popularizing the science and technology. It allows the scientists and experts from the field to discuss issues and new technologies trending in the field. Also, the celebration is aimed at giving an opportunity for a younger generation to display their activities, efforts, and achievements in the field of science for human welfare. As a student, it is our responsibility to honor this great man and his invention by contributing greatly to the field of science through innovation. All the very best to enhance your scientific zeal.